All right, guys, Captain Paul here. And before we start these series of videos, from now on, I'm going to do a little intro video to let you guys know what's going on in this series. So on the Silverton, I dropped Bill off in Marathon, and then I met up with Larry and Melanie in Marathon, and we started their great loop. They purchased this boat, and I've been talking to Larry about 3 months ago, and then they did a lot of work getting the boat ready for this trip. And this is kind of a pre-trip, checking everything to make sure everything works. After now that the trip has ended, they do still have a little bit of work to do. And one thing that I learned, because I learn and grow on all of these trips, and one of the things that I learned on this trip was how important it is to educate yourself and be cautious of what you say, because when you tell somebody we are newbies to vendors and stuff like that, there's some of them that will take advantage of you. And I don't know that, I think Larry did an amazing job getting the boat ready. He found some really good help down there in Marathon. But one of the vendors that he used was an electronics guy down there. And they charge him a lot of money, like tens of thousands of dollars. And we didn't have a working autopilot, and that was kind of sad, because Larry's the type of guy that says, hey, I want everything working on this boat perfectly before I take off here. And he spent close to almost $30,000 on his electronics, and he said, I want the best Garmin, the best stuff happened. And then later on, as the trip progresses and I learn more and more, I was never able to engage the autopilot. I can get the autopilot to move left and right, and I can get it to move the rudders, but I can't get it to engage. And I think what I found out later on is it doesn't have a rudder indicator in there, which is like a tool to help you guys steer boats. I think the one thing, a big thing that me and Larry learned on this trip is what he doesn't know. Like, he wouldn't know any of this stuff without hiring an experienced captain to go with him the first couple of days and check everything out, and also to give him experience with his boat. When you guys are watching these videos here, we leave Marathon, Florida. The first night we spend in Key Largo, and we spend that on Anchorage, so we get to try out the anchors and all of that stuff. Next night, go to No Name in Miami, and then from then on we hit the marinas, just like in Lighthouse. We stop at Lighthouse, Florida, Stewart, and then Melbourne, and then that's where they stopped, is in Melbourne. So it was a 6-day trip. I think everything went well. It was unbelievable how well the engines ran, and in some of the videos you'll see we took it up on top. The boat performed. Larry had the turbochargers replaced. I think he did that himself with the guy that he hired. And then he's taken it to Melbourne to have a Volvo guy. Those are supposedly the best Volvo guys, and I did get to meet them at the end of the trip, and they do up here. And I did a little bit of research and found out that they're really good guys, and they do know what they're doing. So he's in good hands there, and he's going to get 1,000-hour service done on the motors. But I mean, they ran flawless, like 2,600 RPMs, 22 miles an hour. So the boat was running, as far as the Volvos go, they ran really, really well. And they're low hours. So, and that engine room is beautiful when you guys see these, see the videos. But it is a step up from Bill, because, like, there's a bidet on the toilets, and just a really nice boat. And then Duke. Can't wait for you guys to meet Duke. Just an amazing. I've never been around a Corky before, but I like the breed. I like the dog, and Duke was a character in himself. He would come and look for me every morning, and we'd do our little prayer and Bible study. So I just enjoyed him very, very much. And then I think I can't say thank you enough to Larry and Melanie for inviting me aboard. and learning and growing. And I wish them the absolute best on the loop, America's Great Loop for them. And one thing I did learn in this video, you know, or with these guys, is you got to be careful what you say and what you tell people and these vendors is the big lessons that I learned on this. And I got to do a video about that, just dedicated to that. Anyway, peace out. I hope you guys enjoy these videos coming out. You know, it was a great experience, just some of the most beautiful sunrises and sunsets. And Larry is, I think he's doing well with the boat. He's got a little bit more learning to do, but I think he's going to do very, very well. Anyway, God bless. Peace out. And like I said, we got a 6-day trip from Marathon, Florida, all the way up to Melbourne. And it was crazy. We went through the the Palm West boat show. Super, super cool. Some mega, mega, mega yachts. Wait till you guys see the footage of that. I think that was day 4 or day 5. Anyway, peace out. Remember, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and share them with your friends. I truly appreciate you guys, and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate it. Bye.